Perfect. 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 Perfect.
Welcome back to my session. This is Anamika here and I'm back after really long. I have been MIA for so many reasons. First, there was cyclone, internet issues, my phone broke again, like it's not charging. It didn't break, like it's not charging. So if you're following me on Instagram, you know the phone issues. Anyways, I'm finally back and starting this new series and I'm super excited for this because it's Pride Month. And I'm not related to LGBT community for anything, but I am actually loving this color season. Whenever I am going to Instagram through my PC, obviously I can see everybody is like going really colorful with their eye makeups and stuff. So I thought, why not let me just do a color series for this Pride month, and I hope you guys will surely enjoy this. So this is my first look. It's a red smoky eye makeup look, which is extremely wearable. You can wear it anytime, anywhere and whenever you want to. So yes, this is the first video for the Pride month. I'm going to do 7+1, the multicolor look, and I'm going to post videos every day, like for 8 days. And if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. Please take a moment to do that and even hit the bell button. I'm Anamika, if you don't know me. I make videos on makeup and only makeup nowadays. So yes, I'm focusing only in makeup and I hope you guys are enjoying. So if you want to know how I did this look, then please keep on watching.
Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
Finally, I'm done with my base and my brows. Now I'm moving on to my eyeshadow and I'm going to explain this part. So as you have seen, I have already primed my lids. Now moving on to the eyeshadow. For eyeshadow, I'm going with NYX Ultimate Palette. This is the warm neutrals, going with this brown shade right here. And I'm going to apply this on my crease area. Next, I'll be going with this red shade from Makeup Revolution Temi X Tropical Carnival palette, and I'll be placing this on my lids area. And I'm going to keep blending this color bit by bit because I need a nice smoky look.
Perfect.
Even I'm going to blend this with the crease color, so it's like a nice gradient effect. Now going back to the same brown shade, I'm going to again run this on the edges so it's nicely blended out. Rounded motion, so it's nice and smoked out. So guys, now I'm going to dust off all the powders from my face. This was just to catch any fallouts. So yes, let's do this. Now I'll be going with some more red on my lower lash line to smoke out a bit.
Perfect.
Now again I'll be going with the brown from NYX Ultimate palette and run that along my lower lash line. Again, this is to soften the edges. Now from the same palette I'm going with this shimmery shade and will apply that on the eyebrow bones, even on the inner corners of my eyes. That's it for this makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed this first day of Pride Month makeup look. I'm not going to do it for a month. I'm just going to do it for 7+1. As I said, 7 colors, and then there will be a multicolor makeup look. So please stick to me, watch my videos, and even you have to subscribe to my channel for that. And you'll be notified whenever there is a new video from me, so don't forget to hit the bell button as well. I would like to talk about these earrings. This is gifted by my cousin. Her name is Namrata. So thank you, Namrata di, for this earrings. I absolutely love this. I have been waiting to wear this since September. Actually, she gifted me this during that time. I guess I did wear it once when I was out for shopping with my mom, but not on camera. So I absolutely love it and really appreciate her taste for earrings. She's got amazing collections. Anyways, that's it for this video. We'll see you in my next video pretty soon. But before that, you have to do one more thing for me. Go and follow me on my Instagram handle because I'm doing 100 days of makeup challenge over there, and I'm sure you're going to love it. For a while, this was also paused like my YouTube videos because of internet issues and blah blah blah. Anyways, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That's it for this video. We'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay safe. Love you all. Bye.